Cool, come and have a look at this one. It's fantastic. This is just like such testosterone. I love this. You know, it's kind of the raw man thing. And is anyone looking? Jeez, it's getting all carried away. I'm sorry. You know, ooh, kind of thing. Ooh, you know, I get a response. I get a real man's response to something. You know, this time of the, matriarchy, feminism, and everything. You know how I respect all you. Obviously, your policy, we discussed this, but I mean, as a man, ooh, yeah, get in there. You know what I mean? There's got to come a point where the genders are divided, and there's a lot of masculine, feminine, masculine. Obviously, a lot of women very much into this country, but it's a man's piece. You know what I mean? It speaks volumes about my unreconstructed father. You know? Oh yeah. Oh, I get exhausted looking at this. You wouldn't have it in the house, would you?
I don't think they're doing what you think they're doing.
You reckon? I feel like it's going to jump me at any minute. You know, it's like the corner's going to come down.
They might jump you at any minute, yes.
Well, oh, sorry. Yep. You know I get carried away.
You do, yeah.